Question 61. Question and response. How tall is the man? A. Size 15. B. 42. C. 42 pounds. D. 0 decibels. Question 62. Short conversation. I'm worried about my grandfather.
Why?
He's starting to go. A. Strong. B. Tough. C. Fearful. D. Forgetful. Question 63. Short conversation. My pants tore when I was working.
B. Oh no, how did that happen?
They. A. Got dirty. B. Ripped on the nail. C. Shrunk in the wash. D. Fell apart. Question 64. Question and response. Where would you stay while visiting London? A. In a tent. B. In a hostel. C. In a hotel. D. In a park. Question 65. Short conversation. I'm going to dig up the garden to remove the weeds. Okay, I'll lend you a hammer. B. Shovel. C. Hoe. D. Rake. Question 66. Short conversation. Are those cabbages fresh?
Yes, they are.
A. Crisp. B. Stale. C. Soft. D. Rotten. Question 67. Question and response. What is the farmer doing when he waters the corn? A. Fertilizing. B. Harvesting. C. Planting. D. Irrigating. Question 68. Short conversation. The boat lost propulsion.
What happened next?
It. A. Sank. B. Was drifting. C. Stopped. D. Sped up. Question 69. Short conversation. Our stock is now half of what it was.
So, it's
A. 25%. B. 50%. C. 75%. D. 100%. Question 70. Short conversation. She always criticizes others.
yes, she's very
A. Judgmatical. B. Analytical. C. Emotional. D. Careful.